All right, all you trader nerds, welcome in. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like David and DB and Dwayne and Hal and Dwayne and John and Mike and Mo and Peter and Schwaz and Stacy and Steve and Steven and Tyler and Vicky and another Vicky. All trading together today. This is really wild. So we've got almost a 1% down move. Wonka, wonka, wonka. Who saw that coming? Interesting to say the least. Wow. So let's see what's going on here. AD is 280. That can't be right. AD is 280, but positive, and we've had a down move of 1%. Something does not seem right. VIX is at 13.22. That seems right on the down market that VIX will go up, but that AD is troubling to me. Why is that a positive AD? Let's see, is that actually positive? Hard to see there. Anyway, it is what it is, I guess. AD 281, very, very strange. Let's look at the here. Wow, look at this. Who could have saw this coming, right? So we got so close to hitting the 5711, but then it decided, hey, let's go fill some gaps. So is the 5611 on tap? Maybe so. Let's look at linear regression. Linear regression is, nothing to see here, I don't think. If we were to move these upward, let's see. That, and move this one upward. Let's just see what we got here. About like that. So, just regular old chop. Chop, 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 chop. Nothing to see here. All right, let's see how bad our account is suffering today. We normally suffer small little down moves when the market goes down. Our net lit goes down a little bit. So we are, surely enough, down a little bit, 280, 747 even. So we're down $467. Not too bad, but down just a little bit. Let's go to our Greeks and ratios. And let's see, we are at 415 negative 40. Wow. 415 negative 40. Let's look at that. 415 negative 40. Negative 40. And VIX is now at 13. Hey, will y'all be respectful of me? I'm in a session. Beth, will you please get them out or tell them to hush? All right, so now we've got to go here. Let's see, positions. And remember, we decided not to use this number. We need to actually go here and refresh this. And so we need to use the number here, 134,994. So say 135. So let's see what that looks like. 135,000. So we're at 48%, but our theta is negative. Wow. And our deltas are fine, and our buying power is fine. So let's see if we can figure out what happened to our theta. Let's look and see here. We got some close, auto close signal dates here. So let's see what that means. Let's see what's happened here. Let's go. So we last traded on the 9th. Today's 11th. Let's go to 14 days and let's see what field. Okay. So on 7/8, we that should have been included in our thing. We sold 30 there, 7/5, 7/8, and we last traded on 7/9. So 7/8, we harvested some puts. So it looks like what we need to do is we need to sell some more shorts. So we close 15. So that's 5 tranches. So maybe we could sell another 5 tranches. Not 5 tranches. Yeah, 5 tranches. 5 times 3 is 15. Yeah, that's what we could do. Let me go see if I saw those orders there. Hold on a second. 514. Let's see. Yeah, there those are. And did we sell any more last time? Let's see what we did last time. We didn't do anything, did we? Didn't do anything. So maybe, give me a second here. I thought I sold 30. Did we not put those on there? Yeah, here, 30 on the 5th. Let me go back here. Talking to myself, y'all, sorry. We did these on 7/5. Yeah, so we hadn't done anything with this account. So we need to sell a little bit more. I would like to get that theta up a little bit, even though we're thinking that that's fake theta, right? From Bertino telling us it's fake theta. So I'm talking like Biden today. God bless me. Hold on a minute. Let me take some Diet Coke here. It's like I'm having thoughts, but I can't make the words out of them. So let's go and let's just sell us something, y'all. Let's see. Let's go to ES and get that up a little bit. Now, I don't want to go over 50% buying power if at all possible. So let's see what happens when we go trade, table, and we want to go more than 60 days. So if we went to, say, 70 days and did something on the hedge, let's see what we got on the hedge down here. We don't have any hedge stuff down here. Yeah, we do. We got a negative 30 and 50 there. So let's go and say that we're going to sell the 4150s. And maybe, oh no. Hold on, let me do that again here. Oh, I'm sorry. I've had to change the password of the day. Sorry. All right, so let's go to 4150s and let's see what happens when we sell 6 of these. 6 at 320. That didn't work. So let's go 315 instead. All right, so now we're at 439 negative 20, 437 negative 29, 437, 437 negative 29. And now let's see what our buying power went up to. We go positions, go to cap requirement, and let's do that. So we're at 150, 858. 150, 858. Ooh. Ooh, we're at 53%. All right. But that's amazing, isn't it, that our theta is so low, y'all. I mean, it is what it is, I guess. So let's go put those in. So we did ES. We sold 6. And we're going to call this, I guess, BSH 32. And we sold the, what did we do here? We sold the 4150s at 315. 4150 at 315. And those are puts, short hedge. And how many days was it? 72? Let's see what we got here. We are at 71 days. 71 days. And control your coding. There we go. So we brought in $934 there on BSH 32. Let's go ahead and rack in BSH 32. We sold 6. 4150s. Where is he? 71. I did do 6, didn't I? Activity 6, yeah. Let's go back to positions. All right, y'all, I'm looking for 6. Where are they? It's not up here. Maybe it is. BSH, what do we say, 32? BSH 32. Hey, guys. BSH 32. There we go. So now, let's go back to the trade tab. And let's go to 72 days or 71 days. And let's go put in our GTC orders. Where we did it 71 days, didn't we? Huh. It's 70 days or 71? Where's our order we just put in? Now I'm losing my mind. Hal, I need Hal. Where's Hal? What did I do wrong? Let's see. Activity. We filled 6 4150s. That's 71 days. Trade. There's only one 71 days. Where's my -6 4150s? Right here's where they're supposed to be. Oh,
Actually, both the 70 and 71 both expire on the same day, so it might actually show up on the other one.
okay, let's see. See if it's there. Yep, there they are. Huh, that's strange. So let's now close an order. Thank you for that, Hal. I knew Hal would figure it out. Let's do this at 20 cents. Hal's like my trading buddy. I couldn't do it without him. I mean, I've lost so many times. So let's do GTC at 20 cents. And then we want to buy what, 10? 2 tranches? Buy 10 of these at $1.55. And we'll buy 10 and GTC. There we go. Good. Let's look and see what our profit and loss thingy looks like. It all look good. It doesn't, does it? Let's take all these off. Because these are sometimes messed up. So there's my ES. Here's my ES. Here's my MES. Let's see what this thing looks like. Right here, we're going to make $19,985. If we go down one standard deviation, we're going to make $36,354. If we go down here to the apex, we're going to make $78,473. And of course, we're going to lose money if we go down below that. But I think you can't play for that. I think that's the only thing we can do today. I'm a little hot. I just hate that our theta, well, we got positive theta now. And what we've got to keep in mind is Bertino telling us right? Like we were talking about the other account yesterday, this blue account. We're up in this account, but it's down. The negative 187 theta, is that going to hurt us or not? You know, we're just going to have to wait and see. All right, guys, great session today. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Hey, Bobby.
Yeah. Oh, it does say I have closed signals, doesn't it, Schwartz? Yes, go ahead, Hal.
Yeah, all those, when you put those things on, it's giving you some positive data, but you're going to spend most of that money when they, when the longs come in.
Mm-hmm.
So, you're really only making $30 worth of, what is it? You make about $30 on a tranche.
Maybe.
So you're making $30 in 70 days. So that's a real theta of 2.
Right.
I think what you need is some more 111s.
You may be right.
I mean, when's the last time you put one on?
It's a good question. Let's see. We can answer that question. The last time I did was on the 2nd. So you're thinking I need a 111 on, right?
Yeah, because all those short hedges are using up buying power. I mean, I think that last one used up $6,000 or $7,000 of your buying power.
Mm-hmm. Well, I can certainly put one on. Let's see. Let's see what those closed signals were first. Short hedges. Short hedges. But you know what? And the reason is because there's only 15 days and 20 days left in the trade on those. So the 4150s and the 4000s. Let me look at my GTC order, see how close those are to filling. Let's see. Activity. Working.
They're probably not going to release much buying power anyway.
No, you're probably right. Those are at 60 cents now, down to 20 cents. Where are the other ones? Some more, maybe not. Yeah. So I'm just going to let that sit a little bit since my theta is so low. But I agree with you. Maybe I do need additional 111s on, just kind of keep the plan going. And what does our thing say here? Our position sizing is about 1.5 per week. Let's put one. Because we didn't do one on Tuesday. Let's do one today. So let's go trade. 120 days. And we'll do the naked at 10% probability of being in the money. That's a nice profit there. 30 or nice premium, $35. We'll do 35. $35. And then let's go put debit spread at about a 25 delta. There it is for 10. Beautiful. So let's put that in. We did a 35. 5,000s at 127. 127, 5,000s. 5,000. Said 127 days. And what did we say? $35? Let's go. Yes. Did a 1. And this is going to be naked put 42. Put sure not naked. Been so long since I put one in, 124. Good. And then ES 1. PDS 42. And puts debit spread 127, control colon, and $10. And those strikes were 5450, 5400. Good. Now let's see. Let's go put those in their groups. So positions. Here we go. Nick put 42. And the PDS 42. Now let's see what our thing is. Now we're 493.27. Uh-oh, 493.27. Let's see what that did to our buying power. 158.4. So we've got two things that are violated here. The question is, am I comfortable with the risk? And I am. I think we're real comfortable with the risk. I think we're fine there. Yeah, I did see the message in the chat about the XL 112. What's new about it? Yeah, you're right, Stacy. Let's see. Let's look at that. Let's see my GTC orders. So activity, field, working. Let's see. We've got some 45 at 20, 60 at 20, 30 at 20 that I could take off, certainly. Yep. Let's go ahead and take those off. God, those are 50 days. I don't know. I think let's take them off. Place order. 25. Let's go to activity. Replace. Go to 20. No, I mean 30. Going the wrong way, y'all. There we go. So we took off, let's see, field. We took off with 50 days left to go. We took off the 12 2800s. 2800s for 30 cents. Let's go 2800s. Boy, those were way down there too, weren't they? $0.30. We took those off. 7-11-24. Check the next to my name on the checklist. Oh, Schwaz, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, I didn't know how to unmute, but
Okay, there you go.
the gang helped me.
Good.
Oh, I was talking about the Excel trade. Really, the only thing I really like about it is that it's got a lot flatter deltas at the beginning of the trade.
Uh-huh.
So that if you have a down move after you just immediately placed it, it doesn't hurt it as bad.
And what's the difference in that and the way we've been putting them on? What's the difference?
It's 150 days out.
Oh, even going farther, huh?
Yeah, 150, and it's also like 100-point wide PDS.
Oh, instead of 50, good.
And so that's what changes the deltas on it is the wide PDS. It's set up very basically similar to, you know, like the 111 or the 1122 from a delta standpoint.
Uh-huh.
But I've just been playing around with it, and I know I think Tom's been placing some of those trades on his area, and it looks pretty good. I mean, the T0 line is it looks a lot better than your typical 120-day 111.
Well, let's look at it.
Okay.
Hey, Bobby, it's
Yeah.
also your delta is delta neutral, and also your buying power is reduced as well.
Oh, cool. Let's look at it. So we're saying go up to 150, so about what, 141 here,
Yep.
and do the same deltas on everything,
Yep. Or similar.
and do 100 wide though.
Yep.
I was doing 200.
Well, he just placed one yesterday at 100.
Uh-huh. And then let's see.
But you could look at the 200, obviously. And then go to your.
It's one earlier this week, the 200 point.
Oh, okay. You could look at the 111 and just do at the 10 delta and see what that looked like too.
Now let's check this out. %96 probability of profit. We like that. 950 there. We like the theta. Max profit, max loss. 6,000 in buying power. I forget what the buying power was on the trade I just placed with. Let's see this little booger. So I see what you're saying. It looks like this T0 line is better, doesn't it? It's fatter. It's
higher.
yeah.
And Bobby, and also I guess the idea is that you roll that short put up on the PDS after 30 or 45 days, so you'll generate some income on that as well.
Okay, so you rolled the short put up.
Yeah, after 30 or 45 or whatever days it is.
Okay, that's interesting.
You can roll it, you can turn it right, you can turn it into a 50-point wide if you want.
Uh-huh. That's cool. I like that. So you've been doing them, Schwaz, you've been putting those on?
No, I've just been looking at them. I was just curious about it, what everybody else thought.
Yeah, I put one on this week just because of the nice 200-point wide has a really nice hedge to the downside.
Let's see what that looks like.
And it really flattens out your if you look at your T plus zero line, it really flattens it out.
Well, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, but you don't have any profit in the tail with that.
Right, yeah, but I move it up to about 6 delta, I guess. 7 delta on the nakeds.
Is that a 112?
Yeah, 112. Yep.
Okay.
Well, it's got a nice profit tent, doesn't it?
Yeah, and
$10,000.
it gives you the same credit as a 111. The 112 does, and then by the time you roll up to a 50 point or 100 point wide, you generate probably anywhere from $26 to $28 for total on that. So
But I do like that T0 line being positive in there. Let's look at it. Let's look at the regular 111. Okay. So let's go trade. Let me clear this out. Just kind of remembering what that looked like. Let's go trade table 120 days. And we'll do this one just like we did today. This one and this one. And let's look at that T0 line. Yeah, see, that's what we're talking about, right? Is that one was much more like this, right?
Well, especially in the early part of the trade, when you get a huge down move early and the T0 line hadn't had time to, raise up.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like that. I think that's strong. Anyone else got a question or comment on it? And what's he calling that?
XL 112,
XL 112,
extra long term.
extra
like-
long term?
Because it's 150 days out.
Yeah, yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, do I like it or not to go, oh, I'm gonna change my plan? I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I do like it. All right,
yeah, I think
guys.
he's just placing it at 150. Whenever there's a 150 expiration, he just puts one on. So
Yeah,
it's not like he's doing it weekly.
yeah. All right, guys. Good session today. Appreciate all of you, and I will see y'all